So I am going to demonstrate today Google Drive integration with Flock Messenger. So Flock Messenger is basically a team communication application wherein uh, employees or users from a particular group or particular organization can have a conversation between themselves. They can have individual chats. They can have channels which are like groups, and they can interact on that. There are multiple third-party applications which are integrated for the convenience of the users in in Flock Messenger. For example, Google Drive is one of them, and I am going to demonstrate you how Google Drive integration is working on Flock Messenger. So basically, this is the complete page of Flock app, and we have created a team named Google Drive Demo Team and created a channel Google Drive Demo Channel, wherein I have added a few members like this. So we can have integration of Google Drive. So on the right panel we see a drive option. On clicking on that, we see that it will ask us to integrate Google Drive account with Flock Messenger. So here we have used proper branding guidelines as suggested in the previous communication email, by providing a sign in button with Google, which is complying with the Google guidelines. So clicking on this button will take us to the option of selecting the account. So I can select the account over here. This is our OAuth consent screen page. So wherein we have mentioned the app name, which is Flock, and we have mentioned what all requirements the Flock requires while accessing Google Drive. And this page is the OAuth page. Now I am going to redirect. I am going to show you uh, the URL. So this is the URL. As you see, I'm slowly going to scroll through the complete URL so that this URL is pretty clear for the verification process. Here we are seeing that there is a client ID. As you can see, this is the client ID, and this is the complete URL. Okay, now when I click on allow, it says that now you can close this tab and continue using Flock. Okay, so I go back to Flock. I click on done over here since it is integrated. Now I'm going to demonstrate you like what all scopes that we have used. So as you see, we have used basically the recommended scopes like user profile and user email. These are used for displaying the Google Drive options to the user, and by their name and by their profile, and all the files metadata we have fetched. So one of the restricted scopes that we have used is drive.metadata.read only, which is displaying the file metadata over here once the Google Drive is integrated. Now I can select one of the uh, files over here, click on share now, and share in which channel. I can select a channel where I want to share the file. So I click on Google Drive demo channel, share now. File is shared successfully. So here you can see that the file URL is shared over here, and uh, file from Google Drive. We have options to mention Google Drive grant view access and custom permissions and open culturing folder. So now if I click on grant view access, this will grant access to the selected file to all the members in this conversation. So all the members in the channel will have the grant will be granted the view access for this file directly from the Flock app. So I click on done over here. Here is where the problem is happening. for which the verification process is needed. It is displaying you need permission to grant view access to file for the selected file. Since I have shared it from my own account, which is gaurav.mis@flock.com, so but this file is not able to have a view access for the channel users. So that is the reason that I am going ahead with the verification process and sharing all the details about Flock integration with Google Drive. So as I explained that here you can see Gaurav Mishra and connected with email ID, and this is for user profile scope and user email scope. Clicking on this will display the list of files and their metadata. This is for the file.metadata drive.metadata.read only scope, which is the restricted scope. So here the file is shared and we have grant view access, custom permissions, and open containing folder options for the user to grant the access for the file. And here is the file URL, that is downloadable URL, that is shared. Yeah, so that's it with the integration of Google Drive with Flock. I hope we can continue ahead with this demo video for the verification process. Thank you.